Now, keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
Well, if your holiday travels take you west the next couple of days, better watch out, huh?
Yeah, you might want to delay those travels, too, I would say, if you're heading to way western Oklahoma, portions of southern Kansas. Tracking a major winter storm. This video is coming into us from New Mexico. This is Albuquerque. This snow started late last night, and it continues to pile up. In fact, portions of New Mexico under blizzard warnings. There's also a blizzard warning for the Oklahoma Panhandle into Kansas as well. So blowing snow, heavy snow as well for these folks. We're on the warm sector of this system right now, so we're looking at rain unfolding today. We've had a batch of rain come through this morning, and notice more rain extending down to the south, so plan on some more wet weather rolling through our skies. Many of us, especially I would say from Tulsa up to the north, could pick up 1 to 2 inches of rain before this storm system is out of here. I'll take you a little bit closer to the area. You can see rain shield looking pretty good through Osage County over towards Ponca City, southeastern Kansas. You've been seeing showers this morning around Miami and Veneta, also just south of Claremore, Muskogee, and we do have some rain showers right now slicing through the Tulsa metro. So obviously rain gear, a good idea today, and this rain will continue to move to the north and east. But again, more is on the back side of this system, and it will be moving in. I mentioned those blizzard warnings. Check it out. Dodge City has a blizzard warning also for the Oklahoma Panhandle. The blue that you see here, this is a winter weather advisory. Now, in these blizzard areas, they could see 8 to 12 inches of snow around Woodward, and the blue boxes here, the winter weather advisory is even for Wichita. They could see 1 to 3 inches as the day wears on. So again, that's where the snow is today. Back here at home, we don't have any watches or warnings or advisories in effect, but we're certainly watching the rainfall. Muskogee cam shows those clouds. We've been tracking some rain hitting the camera there. You can see the raindrops bouncing off our downtown cam as we speak. And again, more rain in the forecast today. We're at 50 right now, feels like 46. We do have east-southeast winds at 9 miles per hour, and pressure's currently holding steady. We're in the upper 40s in Bartlesville, 46 in Pryor, 52 in Muskogee. We're in the upper 50s currently. McAllister to Poda, where you haven't quite picked up as much rain. The rest of us kind of rain cooled outside, but temperatures will stay on the mild side of normal for the rest of today. So I would say in the 50s for many locations. Tomorrow we'll have a north wind. That'll pull in the much colder air, but today we're tracking those southeast breezes, so pulling up some of that warm air from down in the south. It's 61 in Dallas. Notice up to our north, they're in the 20s and even the 30s around Denver and Scottsbluff. So this stuff comes in tomorrow. We'll likely have falling temperatures through the day tomorrow. So we'll start off on the warm side in the morning in the 40s, and then we'll fall into the 30s throughout the day. This system continuing to track across our skies the next 24 to 48 hours. So notice by lunchtime, Futurecast doing a pretty good job picking up that rain from Tulsa up to the north. Additional showers and thunderstorms form this afternoon. Some of these, especially south of I-40, could be strong to severe. So we will be watching out for this. Could be some wind and hail in a few of these storms. The bulk of the moisture moves off to our east late tonight, but there's still a little bit on the back side of this system. So tomorrow, I think it's possible with that colder air moving in that we could see a light wintry mix by Tuesday afternoon before this entire system pulls out. In Jinx today, you'll see a high of 53 degrees. We're going 52 in Bartlesville, mid to upper 50s further down to the south. 30s and 40s tomorrow morning, again with those temperatures falling. We'll be at 44 degrees early tomorrow morning in Tulsa, falling to about 38 by the end of the day. 1 to 2 inches of rain possible today. Could be a light wintry mix on Tuesday, but I don't anticipate any major travel problems for us. Sunshine returns Wednesday and Thursday. Another weak system Friday night into Saturday. There could be a few snowflakes with that one, maybe just making it a little magical for Christmas Eve, but I don't think it's going to be a major storm. The air is going to be too dry.
Well, that would be perfect if that takes shape. We'll wait and see.
Stay tuned.
Thanks, Julie.